What's up, guys? I'm here with Frank Ruiz from Beacon. Thanks for supporting the event, for filling the room. We've got our workshop with contractors today.
I'm not into roofing distribution business. I'm into people business, and my focus is to help our customers to uncover their gaps and help them bridge their gaps.
So we do have a great relationship. We built through years with Beacon. So we got introduced by Beacon.
Was really excited because it came at such a great time. We were doing a lot of our planning for next year. What they said in the intro was true, that this was much more than just talking at you, listening to what you have to say. And I think, that everybody's having the same problems we are. It's been a real collaborative effort, which I can certainly appreciate.
I heard it from my Beacon rep. He had sent me an invitation by email, but this caught my eye because of the marketing component. Absolutely, I would endorse that Contractor Dynamics to any contractor that's looking to really understand what marketing is and how you can do it effectively. 100% yes.
I learned about it through our supplier Beacon, and super grateful for Beacon for setting us up with this opportunity to come out here for this all-day workshop. It's been super beneficial, informative, and motivating to kind of point us in the direction of where there are some gaps in our marketing efforts.
Market conditions have dramatically changed in the last couple of years, and that's why Contractor Dynamics, Joe and Benny and the team, the value that they're bringing, Beacon partnering with those guys today to host this event, it's a tremendous opportunity. I've heard a lot of positive reaction from the folks so far, for the first half a day.
From the Beacon standpoint of Beacon taking care of their customers, we try to be as competitive as possible and treat every customer like family and really going above and beyond for all of our, customers and partners. So I just knew, hey, they will benefit from the Contractor Dynamics Marketing Workshop. And that's how we selected the folks that we selected to attend, because we know we can be part of that journey and we are the connectors. If they grow, we grow with them.